Kokobiri wife, how far? The thing shock you, abi? Kokobiri wife.
My people, how na dey? Hey, this video I go put am for na more na lis ten to wetin Bosslady, the message wey e send to Rita busybody Kokobiri wife. E say whether e shock am, e say e know say e go shock am well well as Pradmore carry husband go Naija go marry. E say e know say e go shock am. E say e no be like you wey be say Facebook people na do the marriage for na because of say dem dey drag am say why this man no marry you, carry am make go marry you, wey she call run come carry the man go Naija. No be small thing wey she talk for inside this video. I go put am for na more na lis ten. E even talk am to the essence say you never even know the family wey you born for. Which time you go take go meet the family? Which time you go take know them? Na only you wan be the man wey be the woman wey be say no know the husband family. Hey, Bosslady, no go kpai am finish o. My people know say na so this life be. When you dey do busybody, dey do say na me no pass, na me dey intelligent, na me be this one, na me be this one. And na so e dey be last na so e go be because people come dey tell you shey all these things wey you dey do so you think say dem no dey watch. Dem dey watch you with one eye. Nah. Nothing wey she no talk for inside this video. I say she finish am. When I say she finish am well because too much of everything is bad. When she come out this busybody, it was not like this. Now once in one content tell us say na she go school pass, na she dey intelligent, na she be this one, na she be the other one. E come dey do pass itself. My brothers and sisters, oh yeah, make I put this video for na me no be say na me come talk am. She talk many things for inside here. No be say na, and she no even lie for a body. Na the truth na she talk. Everything wey Bosslady talk na truth. Really, she no know the husband family. Really, he never go the village. He no even know the village wey for come. You know all those things. She not lie for her body. Make I put am for na more na watch. Abeg more na help me share this video. Love and like. Leave your comment for there. No leave your comment because of say this one. Now the truth na the woman talk. Now wetin person come lie for person head, then you come dey talk say why you dey lie for your head. But this one na truth because she be the thing say Pradmore no go see man wey go marry am. This lie never you say never in life o. Person wey dey use eye take dey talk say who be this one. Abeg e dey go. Una know say na so she dey do this Kokobiri. E dey use eye take dey like who be this one? Ego Masoma, you know, she dey like they commonize people. I don't know. Ero borrow where I don't know. For real. You go use that take boma. Oh, be this one. Benoma sokpa seva nya this one that one. Whereas, nothing where God no fit do for this life. If you you like your own bitter soul too much is too bitter. You need to go and treat yourself. Everybody don't they see and well. Not be lie. This one not be say maybe it's truth. The bitterness is too much and social media cannot help you. Okay? All right, my people. Watch this video where Bosslady do. Now, bye-bye.
Kokobiri wife, how far? The thing shock you, abi? Kokobiri wife. Sister Rita. It shock you. Me, I don't say it go shock you. It could make something that shock people like you. Because I never forget the day when you come outside. When you say Osho Pradmore Kpekus na well, now a lot of men are in the enter inside. People like that, they not fit see man, we go marry them, put for house. So how far? You see the marriage, Abi? I just want to tell you something about the marriage, Sister Noves. Now so it be, now so we dey run now. Yourself, you know. So more carry your marriage. That one where your Kokobiri do for you. More constant carry the one where Osho Pradmore go do. If they put am for table for your front, which one you go to say na in sweet pass? Which one you go to say now guy he be? Now Osho Pradmore marriage. Osho Pradmore, she shock everybody. Even shock yourself. Because your husband, he go in house, go marry him. In husband, know in wife family. Osho Pradmore, know in husband family. Both of them know their house. I not say your husband know your own family. But you never know your husband family. Now where the problem they be that? Now where Osho Pradmore to senior you be that? Kokobiri wife. Now where? Because people where you not supposed to come outside the cost person, I ain't going to cost person. Since when you take marry this freshman, This Kokobiri man, he never reach me. You just tell the man, say, only I beg, make you travel, go your village, make I know your family. He never reach. So may you go the hometown, may you go know the village where your husband from come. But you sabi to buy ticket for the man, go your own countryside. You force the man to marry you. You force the man to pay dowry. Abi? You sabi? But you no sabi to go your own village. Then you go come outside, you say you don't marry. You never marry you because you never see your husband's side. So the earlier the better. May you tell your husband, say, I beg, I'm going home with all this my children because I'm not saying you never born for the man. Pack all your children, follow them for body. Or you find somewhere, go put your children. You tell the man, say, oh yeah, let's go to your hometown. There's a person husband house, no they far. As far as it's your husband. I don't know why your own husband house come far. So you see, say two different things. Say, Osho Pradman senior you for everything. No they shout, no they bragado. No be mad, now they tell the talker. Osho Pradman know your husband house. You know him papa, you know him brother, you know his sister, you know everybody. Who you know. Now only phone, now you know. You never see them one-on-one, you never see them physically. I just come as I say, I can't talk to you because sometimes I know they know the way I'm supposed to address something. So I won't come to tell you in case another day you won't come outside, can't do that your plot, come buga. Don't buga, my sister. Buga no fit you. Buga fit people where be say they're complete. Not be people like honor. Honor be say, it go be like say another person, not be person for na present. Now only honor, now be the best and the best. At the end of the day now, Fawo Nyash don't open. You don't say everybody Nyash. My sister, enter house. Call your husband. Tell and say, please, I want to know your family. The embarrassment from people is too much. Let me go and know your home. And brother Kokobiri, try, may you carry your wife, make you go know your people. You know get people. If you know say you don't marry for her, still tell her now. Now understanding. No be seen to marry marriage man. Explain to Rita. Make Rita know. So that the thing go feel complete. So that this your wife no go to come and say, I can't bragado. So may you go know. Sister Rita, go know so that our mind go rest. I know top out this one, rest my case. Olodo.